Imagine a living canvas with an explosion of vibrant colors and spectacular splashes of all the shades under the sun. Now, picture all those bursts of color combined with an event that's getting everyone moving.
It's the Color Run for the Arts, and this kaleidoscopic community gathering isn't just turning its participants into masterpieces, but helping create opportunities for future features. David Keel is the Vice President of the Art League of Ocean City. He joins us this afternoon. Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Glad to be here. Appreciate it.
So before we talk about the fun event, let's find out how you got involved with the Art League.
Sure. Years ago, my wife and I moved to Delaware full time. We had had a house for years, but we decided to make it our permanent home. And we tried to figure out, how do we volunteer? How do we get involved with the community, similar to things that we did back home? And the arts were very important to us, and just giving back to the community was very important. So started volunteering with the Art League. And the more I became aware of the Art League, its role in the community, and what it did for Ocean City and beyond, just realized that this is such a great treasure that we have in town. Not only because it brings arts to the community, but the events that it does, the sense of community it brings throughout Ocean City and beyond, even in southern Delaware and the west of Worcester County. It moved me. So
Yeah.
I really wanted to get more deeply involved, and that's how I got involved with the board of directors and just try to help them raise money, do better, and help them plan strategically. And I just love being a part of it. And I'm thankful for everyone who works there, everyone who volunteers there, and especially all our donors and our community supporters.
Right.
We couldn't do it without them.
So one of those events, and this is the first time you've done this, is a color run, which I think is a perfect thing for an art league to do. Can you explain for those who are not aware what a color run is?
Sure. Color runs are extremely popular across the country, and they're growing. You see more and more of them every year. And it actually starts from an influence from the Holi, the Hindu celebration of colors. So in Nepal and India, to celebrate the end of the season and to bring communities together, whole families come out and douse each other and douse their community with these bright colors and these bright colored powders. And what may have been a drab fall day becomes this beautiful, bright, like rainbow of happiness. And so that's kind of was the influence to what a color run is. So our color run will be on November 15th, Saturday, in Veterans Park in Ocean Pines, and it's a 5K. It's a 2-mile walk, and throughout that process, the participants will be thrown powder on them. They usually start off wearing white T-shirts and all white, and by the end, they look like a giant bag of Skittles. and everyone has a great time. It's the important difference also with the color run versus a traditional 5K is it's not a time, it's not a competition.
Yeah.
You're there to have fun. You're there to spend time with your community. You're there to just bring some positivity to the community. And it just winds up being just everyone walks away with smiles in a total mess of colors and just happy. In addition, just to the event, we'll have food trucks, we'll have music, we'll have artisans. So think of it more than just a traditional 5K race. Think of it as just a great community gathering.
Yes.
And it goes to a great cause as well. So the Art League of Ocean City. So kids, it's a great kids event, although they have to take a shower afterwards.
I'm sure, yeah.
So kids tickets are $15. Adults tickets for either the 5K or the 2-mile walk are $25. And again, you support the Art League of Ocean City, and you have a really, really good time doing it. So we're thankful, and we know people are going to show up in droves, and we're just thankful for the opportunity.
So you don't stop there. You've got another event. What is it, the Party of the Year?
Yeah, the Party of the Year. So rumor is that Ocean City likes a party, and so do we. And so our Party of the Year is coming up October 9th, Thursday, and it will be at Kalamata Meze Bar in West Ocean City. And Kalamata Meze Bar gave us the perfect theme for this year's event. It's Aladdin's World. So think of great Mediterranean food, think of candies and desserts, and think of great cocktails as well. And after a few cocktails, you may just start belly dancing. So just be ready for it. So it's a great event, but most importantly, again, it's an event that supports the Art League of Ocean City. Tickets are $150 a piece, but they're all inclusive. So it's just a great opportunity for you to have a great time, have some great food, and with some great people. And even if you cannot attend that event, you can still participate. So we have a raffle of the year. year. And it's for the trip of a lifetime, a $5,000 trip of a lifetime, and that winner will be selected at the party of the year. So for $100 or for 6 tickets for $500, you have a chance to win a $5,000 trip to anywhere you want in the world, or you can take the cash. And you don't have to be present at the party of the year to win, and we're only selling 350 tickets. So
Okay.
your odds to win are really, really good.
Really good, yeah.
So it's
All right.
exciting. So be it that you come along and join us at the part of the year, or just buy a raffle ticket or 6, or come and hang out with us at the Color Run in November. We just want to be part of the community and want the
Right.
community to enjoy.
All right, and we're going to give you the information for the Color Run. It's happening Saturday, November 15th. All the times are there. Veterans Memorial Park in Ocean Pines. We'll have all this information and where you can register on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Click on what's happening today. David,
Yes.
it's always good to see you. Thank you
guys.
so much
See you
for
again
coming
soon.
in.
Appreciate your time.